Good morning children and welcome back to your reasoning class. Dear children, in your previous class we have studied about chapter 7 mirror images. So in our today's class we will also continue with the same chapter and we have seen till question number 10. So today we will continue from question number 11 onwards. So let's see from question number 11. So children, you can see in question number 11, find the mirror image of each figure if the mirror is placed along MN. MN is the mirror. So we are talking about plane mirror. As in your book it is already given that mirror image of a letter number are same, either mirror is placed vertically left or vertically right. Mirror images of capital and small letters. From here you can see the mirror images of alphabets and numbers are given. So how it will look like in the mirror? Here you can see A is given. A, B, C, D, E. So, what will be your answer? How it looks in the mirror? You can see that A will look like this. The same image will be formed. You can see in this table also. Now, for B will look like this. C, the open-ended portion is here, so it will turn like this and C will appear like this. D will appear like this and E will appear like this. So in which option? In option number D, you can see that the same figure is obtained. So the answer is option D. Now come to question number 12. Again the mirror is placed to my left. Now the image will form this side. The image will form this side. So 5 will look like this. G is you can see G is here, so it will turn to this. 2 will look like this. F 1. The mirror image of 1 and E will be like this. So you can see this kind of combination in option C only. So option C will be your answer. Now question number 13, you will do it by yourself. It is just like same as question number 11 and question number 12. Now come to question number 14 and 15. Direction. Find the mirror image of each of the given figure. Here you can see the mirror is placed to the right side. Now you have to find out its mirror image. Its mirror image will be like this, children. The question mark will turn in this area and the yellow portion will remain the same, but this arrow mark will go to like this, will appear like this. So you have to find the correct option. Yes, the correct option is option B. Now the direction for question number 14 and 15 are same. So question number 15, this one you will do by yourself. It is just like question number 14. Now come to question number 16. Select the correct mirror image of figure X. The mirror is placed along MN. Here you can see mirror is placed to the right side. So the figure X, you have to see figure X and then you have to find out the mirror image of both of this element. The arrow is given here in this way. So what will be it's a mirror image. This arrow will come to this side, and this down arrow will also change its position. So this will appear to this side, it will change its place, and the place is like this, and this one will appear like this. So this kind of element is, you can see in option D. So your answer will be option D. Now question number 17. Find the mirror image of figure X. The mirror is placed along MN. MN is the mirror. MN is the mirror you can see in your book. And figure X. CAT, cat. Cat is written here, and this is a picture of cat also. So T will appear like this, A will appear like this, and C will appear like this. You can see such kind of combination, and the hand will come to this place. Here in option B, you can see that the answer is, your answer will be in option C. You can check the others option, the TAC. Yes, but the hands is on the same side, but it will come to this side. So this will not. So option A is wrong. Option C is also wrong because the elements are not matching. Option B only matches. So option B is your answer for question number 17. Question number 18, you will do it by yourself. Now, question number 19. Find the mirror image of the given figure. Here is the mirror, and the figure is placed in front of the mirror. You can see, children, see the eyes of this smiley, this figure. So the black side of this eye will turn to this side, and so this is not your, this will be not your answer option D, because you can see the eyes, it is all black, so it is not your answer. The position of eye is same, so this will also be not your answer. Option B, you can see the black portion is downwards. So option A is the correct answer for question number 19. For question number 20, find the mirror image of figure X. You can see a girl holding some flowers in her hand. Now you can, the image will be formed to the left side because the girl is standing to my right. So this flower image will form here, and the girl will stand here only. So this is not the correct answer. This is also not the correct answer because you can see the position of this girl. It is just opposite. This is A and C. You can see the position of girl. This is just opposite. So, and the flower will appear, come to this side because the image will form, will change its position from here to here. So you can see option B is the correct answer. Question number 21. Find the correct mirror image of figure X. In the mirror you can see a bear has holding a placard in which A, M, S, 3, 2 are written. So let's find out the answer. A will come here. A will looks like here. M will remain the same. S will turn its position like this because in the mirror image you can to solve this question, you have to follow these tables, children. The mirror image. So, with the help of that table, you can see that 3 will appear like this and 2 will appear like this. So, you have to find out this combination. In option A, you can see 2 is like 2, 3. The S remains the same, so it will not be your answer. Option B. See? Option B. 2. Yes, 2 is like this. 3. The mirror image of 3 changes. S. Yes, M and A. So this will be your correct answer. First of all, you have to eliminate the options. Try to eliminate options. Question number 22, you will do it by yourself. Now, come to question number 23. It has already come in SOF and SO 2018. So it is an important question, children. Find the correct mirror image of the figure given below. The mirror is placed here, MATHS. So first of all, this M will come here. A will appear like this. T will also appear like this. But the position of S will change from this to this. The shapes remain the same. The shapes remain the same. So this will be your answer. So find out. First of all, eliminate the options. S. Yes, children, you can see S looks like this. Our answer and in option A, the position of S is same. So it is correct for S. H. Yes, H is inside the triangle. So it is also correct. T inside the hexagon. So here the position is also correct. So your option, I think you will get your answer in option A only. So option A will be your answer, because in option C you can see that S remains the same just in the question. So we can eliminate from here also. In option B you can see that the position of S remains the same. So in D also. So option A will be your answer for question number 23. Children, now see question number 24. Find the correct mirror image of the given figure. You have to find out the mirror image of this given figure. The mirror is placed here and the object is kept to my right side. You can see alphabets are written in the middle. So let us find out our answer through this with the help of these alphabets. Me, M-E, me. So in the mirror image of this figure will appear like this. Let us find out from the alphabets. E will come like this, appear like this in the mirror, and M remains the same. The thicker portion of this M will come here. So you will find out your answer E, M. But you can see the eyes also. You can see it is a whole black eye. So eliminate option A. In option B you can see the eyes are appear like this. So it will look like this only. The eyes will look like this only. So in option B, I think you will get your answer. The beak of this bird is towards the left side. So it will turn to the right side. So option B will be your answer. Option C is not, will not be your answer because the image is totally flipped towards downwards. And in option D, you can see that the me is already written in the same way. So the mirror image which is formed is just like option B. 25 is just same as question number 24. So you will do it by yourself with the help of that table. Let us do question number 26. Select the correct mirror image of the given figure. It has already come in as SOF and CO 2019. It is the latest question, children. So that's why I am solving this question. The mirror is placed here, so the image will form here. This is your star. This black, you can see that this black portion will appear in the mirror like this. And the eyes. You can, in option C, you can eliminate options very easily because option C will not be your answer because the image is totally flipped towards downward. So you will eliminate option C. In option D, see the mouth. The black portion is missing here. So it is also eliminated. Now the black portion is like this, and it is same in option A. So option A is also eliminated. So your answer will be option B only. Now let's see question number 27. SOF. The mirror is placed to my right and the figure is here. So let us see. The color will remain same, yellow and red. So you can easily eliminate option D because red color is upside and yellow color is downside. So you will eliminate option D first. S will look like this in the mirror. O, the position of O will remain same. F look like this in the mirror. You can see the position of F and S in the table. In the table, you can find out S looks like this. The mirror image of the alphabet S is this one, and F is, you can find F here. So our answer our answer looks appear like this. So you have to find out this element in from these options. In option A, you can see that F is flipped towards downward. So this you can eliminate option A. In option B, you will find S, O and F in the same way, and the picture will remain same along with the color. This will be yellow and this will be red only. You will see the combination in option B. So option B will be your correct answer. You can check option C also. Now children, you will do question number 28 and 29 by yourself. Let us see question number 30. Here it is also, this is also come in SOF. The mirror is placed to my right side. The object is placed to my left side, in front of the mirror. Here the hat is placed on the, here you can see the hat, the position of hat. The position of hat will come this side, and the stick will come to this side. Here you can also easily eliminate from the option. This will not be your answer as it has slipped towards downwards. B and D is not your answer. And option C, there is no stick in his hand. Option C, your option. So your answer will be option A only. So this is how you have to check and find out your answer, children. In your examination, you have to find out you have to first check the elements and you have to eliminate the options so that you can get your answers easily. First you see the position of the alphabets and the objects, whether they are missing or they are on the same side given in the option. Eliminate the option first and then then it will be easier for you to solve the question in your examination. Children, I hope that you will do the rest question by yourself, and we will meet soon in our next video with a new chapter. Thank you.